हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू यू ऑल। तहे दिल से आपका स्वागत है आपके अपने पढ़ाई करो यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म पर। 365 डेज द डे इट वाज के इस सेशन में आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट द ताजमहल पैलेस होटल, अबाउट 16 दिसंबर विच इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड एज विजय दिवस, एंड अबाउट सेकेंड लेफ्टिनेंट अरुण खेत्रपाल हु इज़ द यंगेस्ट परमवीर चक्र रिसिपिएंट, एंड अबाउट लक्ष्मीकांत बर्डे। दोस्तों, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि भारत में 16 दिसंबर का दिन विजय दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। इस दिन को 1971 में हुए युद्ध में पाकिस्तान पर भारत की जीत को याद करते हुए मनाया जाता है। इस वॉर में भारत ने अपने करीब 3900 जाबाज बहादुर सैनिकों को खो दिया था एंड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 9800 सोल्जर्स घायल हुए थे और 93,000 पाकिस्तानी आर्मी सिपाहियों ने आत्मसमर्पण किया था और इस तरह भारत ने पाकिस्तान को करारी शिकस्त दी थी। चलो फिर आज वो नज़ारा याद कर लें, शहीदों के दिलों में थी जो ज्वाला वो याद कर लें, जिससे आज़ादी बहकर पहुंची थी किनारे पे, जिसमें आज़ादी बहकर पहुंची थी किनारे पे, देशभक्तों की खून की वो धारा याद कर लें। भारत देश की इस मिट्टी पर हंसते हंसते अपनी जान न्यौछावर करने वाले देश के उन वीर फौजी भाइयों को पढ़ाई करो टीम की तरफ से शत शत नमन। तो आइए दोस्तों, शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। 16 दिसंबर 1903 द ताजमहल पैलेस होटल, द फर्स्ट ताज होटल विच was opened on 16 December 1903 in Bombay. Taj Mahal Palace Hotel was earlier known as Taj Mahal Hotel or simply the Taj. Jamshedji Nusarwanji Tata, who was the founder of Tata Group, opened the Taj Hotel on 16 December 1903 and it was his first Taj Hotel. The Taj Mahal Hotel was the first in India to have electricity, American fans, German elevators and English butlers. During World War I, the Taj Mahal Hotel was turned into a military hospital with 600 beds. In 1973, the Taj Mahal Tower, an additional wing of the tower, was opened. Since 1970, Taj Hotel resorts and palaces has been converting royal palaces in India into luxury hotels. First palace was Lake Palace in Udaipur in 1971. Other palaces which were turned into luxury hotels are Rambagh Palace in Jaipur, Umaid Bhawan Palace, Jodhpur, Falaknuma Palace, Hyderabad, Nadesar Palace, Varanasi. In 1974, Fort Agoda Beach Resort, which is India's first international 5-star deluxe beach resort, was opened by Taj Group in Goa. Taj Group first hotel outside India is Taj Sheba Hotel in Sana'a, Yemen, which was opened in 1980 and it has since been expanding overseas. Taj Mahal Palace Hotel was attacked during 2008 Mumbai terrorist attack, due to which a lot of damage occurred in the hotel. On 15th August 2010, it was reopened after restoration. Next point, 16 December 1971. On every year, 16 December is observed as Vijay Divas to celebrate the victory of India over Pakistan in 1971. War started on 3rd December 1971 and ended on 16 December with the birth of Bangladesh and surrender of Pakistan to the Indian Armed Forces. The war lasted in 13 days, making it one of the shortest war in history. On 3rd December 1971, the war started when Pakistan Air Force launched surprise preemptive attack on 11 Indian airfields, and Indian Air Force launched a massive retaliatory airstrikes the very same night. On 16 December 1971, Pakistan's Lieutenant General Niazi surrendered along with his 93,000 troops to Indian Army Commander Lieutenant General Jagjit Singh Arora in Dhaka, and it marked the formation of East Pakistan as a new country, Bangladesh, and it was also the largest surrender since World War II. Indian Army fought 1971 war under the leadership of General Sam Manekshaw. Paramveer Chakra recipient of this war was Lance Naik Albert Ekka, posthumously Flying Officer Nirmal Jeet Singh Shako, posthumously Second Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal, posthumously Major Hoshiar Singh. On this day, Defence Minister and heads of all the 3 wings of Indian Armed Forces pay homage at Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate, New Delhi. Next point, 16 December 1971, Second Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal Youngest Paramveer Chakra recipient attained martyrdom on this day in the Battle of Basantar during 1971 India-Pakistan War. In June 1967, he joined NDA and then joined Indian Military Academy. In June 1971, he was commissioned into 17 Pune House, a tank regiment of Indian Army. During 1971 war, 17 Pune Horse was assigned to the command of 47th Infantry Brigade. During the Battle of Basantar, Khetrapal fought valiantly, despite being outnumbered by the enemy's tanks and destroyed several enemy's tanks. When his tank caught fire during the firefight with the enemy's tanks, in which he also got wounded, but he did not leave his tank. His commander ordered him to abandon his tank, but his response was, "No, sir, I will not abandon my tank. My main gun is working and I will get them." And he kept firing until he destroyed two more enemy's tanks. When the last enemy tank was just 100 meters away, his tank got another hit and he lost his life in it. Khetrapal was awarded Paramveer Chakra posthumously for his valor. In his honor, NDA parade ground is named after him. It is called Khetrapal Ground. IMA has one of the main entrance gate named after him. Next point, 16 December 2004, Lakshmikant Berde, an actor, passed away on this date at the age of 50 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He had worked in several Marathi and Hindi movies. He had worked in Marathi stage plays while working at Mumbai Marathi Sahitya Sangh. In 1983, he became famous with the Marathi play Tor Tor, in which his comedy was appreciated. His debut Marathi movie was Lek Chalali Sasara in 1984. His first Hindi movie was Maine Pyar Kiya in 1989. He did a serious role in movie Ek Hota Vidushak in 1992. He acted in the Marathi TV serial Nasti Afat. He had his own production house by the name Abhinav Arts. He also was very good guitarist and a ventriloquist. तो उम्मीद करता हूं दोस्तों कि आज का सेशन आपके लिए बहुत यूज़फुल एंड इन्फॉर्मेटिव रहा होगा. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, शेयर एंड लाइक. पढ़ाई करो यूट्यूब चैनल, पढ़ाई करो टीम की तरफ से. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. थैंक यू.